everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to show you how to enable Hindi fonts in Linux Mint 22 Beta. If you have ever encountered issues with Hindi text or not displaying correctly in your web browser or application, this tutorial is for you. So as you can see here, when I try to browse a Hindi website or even search on YouTube, the text is not displayed correctly. This happens because Hindi fonts are not enabled by default in Linux Mint. Now let's quickly enable Hindi fonts. First, open your menu and search for language settings. Here you will see an option to install languages. Check for Hindi and apply the changes. Don't forget to log out and log back to make sure the settings take effect. Now let's revisit our YouTube page. As you can see, after enabling Hindi fonts, the text is now displayed correctly. No more squares or weird characters. That's it for today's tutorial on enabling Hindi fonts in Linux Mint 22 Beta. It's a simple fix that can make a big difference, especially if you browse Hindi content regularly. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. Comment below if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more Linux and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching. I will see you next time.